Ubnai no apra udah ubnai penkrea jong kipat Kristan ke jelabat ke pertehi barok kawe banap ke jingwan long brio jong ukun ublei uji sukres hangne hak sela pertehi. Ki khun Kristan ki jubun kam hono ubnai bandet yau let hat bat ban penbit penbiang ya barok ki jingdan kam shwa ban poi kini kesngi bala sakhi ba man la kesnem. Une ubnai udah ubnai uba kayau kahat ka thanem baha la kedai kayau de marba mardi ne kayau de kiriam kibet. Henry menta kesnem Lasaki bakayau kahat bat kayedea thiet kala start bha nagadau ke jingwan len shop jong ka klam COVID-19. Habai nu jor bat kisnem ke belalet lasaki bah hukum kini kita yau jong benai no pra kipat ba kjetut lut kiyau kihat kam tam hayau do bat polis bazar ban thiet igi jan kinap kitiar kitar ban pen internet igi yeng kisem kijing ais ngobha bat kum jo ru igi jing bam ke babon jaj kum shibenta ban rakhe ka Christmas bat kasnem thamai Ubnai no opera ko majulong malaga snem. Uday ubnai ubaka yau kahat ka thanem baha naga jingdap jong kipat ba ke belet yau lit hat naga banta ban pen kre ka jingrakhe ka Christmas bat ka snem thamai. Hendrai menta ka kenti pat wat laki pat ba ki le thanyan ha ki yau hat jan man la ka sngi. Hendrai kinong de jingde ba kinong shong dukan pat ki la pen pau ba ka yau ka peja. Bat kim shimlala ban pen ya yau ya laki mar ki mata ni ki jan kinap. Kinong dia kilapan pau bakane kejing peja kadai namar kejing wan shop jong ka klam COVID-19 kabalak ta shikadai e kejalan ru ubnai ber kat adu menta Kinong dia jing de hayodo bat polis bazar kem shimla not ban thiet bon ki jan kinap kitiar kitar ban pen internet ki yeng kisem kejing ais ngobha ki babon jaj namar kejing sapriang kane ka klam ha kejela bat ki syap tieng yo kimla ban pen ya yo yaki Tongin esngap ya ke ka bagi try dukan bagi pat ba ki dan banong ya gane kejingwan jong ka Christmas bat ka senam thamai.
Kadi ketit keduna sibuan. Banyak komper baka ba mensuam ya hapsu. Hinda wanong tit ubun banyak ta darem mata kiudor kamar kamata. Tikimla. Suka kadar mensuam tu. Tahu yu kani bom ya mata teba diberi pisar gimdan. Tikile ban pantat baik. Tinggi kamar kabarem ya tan.
Kayi patang tapi kalau ada tak pula nomor ba. Long kemudian pi tak ya kabai benengkong ngai pi mana ketika baik kali. Apli kina nong kondong kinyawan senior kemudian ke masuk. Kajing yo jengkot jengki kalau tak deh menakan ya katun rupanya yo berai lah syong diberi. Kidon babiang kam bat kidon babiang kam apli. Kalau ka ba kan ya ki. Te kumtar ko makin wan hayo ki jenjar apli. Kabai kali ni menta si baik kali menta si arfo subuh mah menta la poin on rufo ne nyopo kemut ki bak hamsa jangai kembang sama korwat iba plinga si yo jingtip untuk kan baik kali baik sumo aspa tem marmo ibri la lek wan la long pas aspa kementan wan ti tangi jan ba aspa la aspa mi hap chu kala song dor ra meki
haga jingdi jingthi te menta snam kaduna bha mde shu kum kini snam beladam mar belin kene ka jingpang jong kene ka klam coronavirus te keduna ba kayar ba kham tam ru kini kinong kondong ru kimla banwan mar belai ke bai kali ke garam te ngi hayo hang ni te bon sini bon thit te kinong kondong hi te menta snam te kinong kondong ru keduna kenda bon kan yo ke jingdi jingthit kayar ba te kini ki jing penbiang hadukan rong hi penbiang bah rong ni thiet mar bah tim taw snam pada te kemar ke ru bab aiso ba yu klam aiso thandu kata ke duna bah kan duna bah lono kumbong 6% mo men snam te kunta prapu persen ni penbiang ki mar ki hapo dukan ne tim ta mentaw snam pada te long kumno 4% 9% ya bu mar duna kan long duna plat kajing ya wanted ki breru
there's no customers at all like till last year the sale and everything was very good market was really going good but now you can check around there's no customers no nothing it's the sale is very low
and good evening all the viewers of PCN have a wonderful day and we're looking forward to the festive season Christmas New Year's approaching I hope all the viewers have a very good time. This pandemic, not even the festive season, it has affected the entire universally. It has been affected every person. Each country has been affected. Even our own country has been affected. Our Shillong is affected. Meghalaya is affected. And right from March onwards, we had to close down for about 3 to 4 months. So there was absolutely no business. After that, when another 2-3 months we opened, and we had to open alternative days. So that time also the business was very, very bad, very slack. And then after the festive season started, say from October, November, things have become little brighter. But overall the ratio, the average is still very low. So hopefully by next year we should get back on our feet. But this year has been badly affected, that is for sure.